Welcome to today's video. This one is going to be a big surprise for both you and I. Actually, you're probably going to be less surprised than I am in this video because I'll probably have a thumbnail that has the products that we'll talk about today shown in there. So why am I in a robe, you might ask? Well, I've been very pushed for time. I've told you all before that I own my own wholesale brand, and it has been our busy time of year, and it has left me with almost no free time to record. I had a little bit of time today and a lot of things to talk about, and one of the fun things that has happened to me lately is I got a box from Ulta. Let me show you this box. So basically what I'm trying to say is that I did not have time to get dressed and everything today, do my hair, do the whole shebang. I did do my makeup just to look good for the video and put in some earrings, and then I kind of realized that I sort of look like a fortune teller, so that's just how it's going today. One fun thing that has happened recently is my whole life just feels like a blur from the constant working. So I had a huge box show up on my doorstep today of things that I ordered, but I have no recollection of what I ordered. I definitely remember ordering it. I remember going on Ulta and thinking, oh, this is Sky Miles Day. I get bonus Sky Miles if I shop with them. So I haven't tried out any makeup from them in a while. Why don't I make some purchases? I remember that much. I don't remember anything beyond that. I have no idea what's in the box. But just wait. Wait till you guys see this box. I'm gonna let my intro music play. You guys stay tuned. Friendos, this is the box. I'm not joking. Like, oh, I hope this is in the whole shot. It's so big. Can you guys see this? Like, what on earth? It kind of feels empty though. So, what do you say? Let's take a look inside and see what the dolphin noise I bought. Alright. So it's not that much. Why on earth did Ulta need to send me such a big box? Alright, here we go. Alright, so first thing out of the box. I remember this now. This is Han Pressed Blush. It says Healthy, Active, Natural. Maybe it's H-A-N, not Han. I don't know. And it says this is in the shade Carousel. This was something that was new to Ulta and I decided to pick it up. Ooh, I like a little packaging on this. Ooh, this is way more baby doll pink than what I thought. Let's just do a little swatcheroo. Oh, with a brush. It looks really creamy. I think this is going to be really nice. I can't wait to do a try-on video for all this stuff, if we can do one. Oh yeah, I decided to try out something drugstore, even though this isn't technically from the drugstore. We'll say something affordable. So Milani, this is their lashes that defy gravity. Long wear, smudge proof, and clump proof. 93%, so extreme volume and instant lift. Oh, I got this cute little Tarte brush. Yes. Oh, she's cute. This is my style, you guys. I really like palms. I have quite a few in my home. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. This feels very nice and plushy. I wonder if they have anything else in this style. I would like to get my hands on it. I can't do it with these eyelashes. I wanted to raise my eyebrows and make a weird face, but I just can't. Yeah. Then we got the Han, again, all natural lip gloss. I want to say that I got this as a free gift, maybe. I don't really remember. This is their all natural lip gloss with antioxidants and vitamins. Healthy and natural. We'll give it a swatcheroo. The packaging has a nice little rose on there. A little rose detail. It looks really smooth. I think I'm gonna like these, but you know, we'll have to try them out together. Just have to see. Alright, what's next? Oh, my favorite. Okay, if you guys are looking for a cleansing balm, you can forget the one from pharmacy. I mean, that one is good. Don't get me wrong. The one from pharmacy is good, but this is even better. This is the Clean It Zero. This is by Vanilla Co. This is my most repurchased item ever from Ulta. So I go ahead and I get the big size because I know I'm gonna go through it. This doesn't really have a scent. Comes with a little scoop thingy. And then the container is kind of plain Jane and just baby pink. This right here takes off everything. Everything. It doesn't leave a weird residue on your face. It's just fantastic. The best cleansing balm I have ever used. All right, next I have from Han Beauty a concealer. Looks like we're gonna have a Han Beauty day here coming up pretty soon. All right, this is in the shade Fair. That blended out nicely as well. It looks a little pinky, but my finger was kind of dirty from blush and lip gloss, so we'll just have to try it out together and see. And this is just called a clean concealer, made in the USA. Then we have the ColourPop Lock It Down eyeshadow palette. If I would have remembered I had ordered this, I wouldn't have done my eyeshadow today. Oh well, here we are. Ooh, this is pretty, you guys. Pen sizes are a little bit small. I was not expecting that, but still really pretty. Can't wait to try this out. By the way, if you have blue eyes, or more specifically blue-gray eyes, these shades will really, really look good on your eyes if you like purples. So I'm already looking forward to this. Okay, looks like this is the empty box. Nothing else in there but the receipts. Let's talk about some other things that I have to try on coming up. So one of them is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Luminous Rouge Blush. And this is in the shade Love Language. I purchased this during the Morphe sale when you could get everything 50% off, or at least most things 50% off. Oh wow, she's pink too. She's real pink. Lord. This thing has a little plastic thing to help you pull it up. That adhesive is trying me, girl. Alright. Oh my gosh, I look like someone's crazy grandma now. It's so much. Let me see if I can't tone this down a little bit. Tone it down with some Hourglass Veil setting powder. Boy, she still is potent. Alright, it's looking a little bit better. Alright, so we have that, and then I also purchased one of her lip cushions. My sister had purchased one of these earlier in the year. I tried it out in camera in another haul video. I actually like these better than her regular liquid lips. I think that this one is just a little bit more comfortable and it doesn't put very many wrinkles in your lips. Her regular liquid lipstick formulation is kind of dry. It actually put wrinkles on my lips and I don't normally have wrinkles on my lips. But this one didn't, or this formula didn't. And this is in the shade Promised. Very velvety and pretty. And then I got a couple of her lip liners. Here's one right here. That's lovely. I feel like the formulation is one of those where you could just take it all over the lip. It's one of those that's more on the creamy side than the dry side. Okay, friendos, I think that's everything from my recent hauls. Clearly, we are going to have a lot of fun topics to cover coming up on my channel. I'm so sorry I've been so pushed for time. I promise you that soon and very soon we will be doing more than just reviews. It's just that time of year where stuff just keeps dropping, and I am trying to grow my channel. What gets the most views are reviews, unfortunately. So I've been going through a lot of those, but I promise you after first of the year for sure, we're gonna be doing more creative, fun things here. At some point next week, we have to try out this Han Beauty together because I'm curious. I hope you guys are too. Let me know down below if you purchased anything from the brand and if you have any experience with it. Which product from today are you the most excited to try out? Which product from today are you the most excited to see more of on my channel? Please let me know. Again, thank you all so much for being so active in the comment section. It does help me to grow, so I greatly appreciate you doing so. Also, I hope that you will subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, we'll both have to live in the shadow of never knowing what could have been. Alright guys, bye.